guys, Ryan Dossey, and in today's quick video, I'm going to walk you through how to pull a list of mobile homes, whether you're looking for places to flip, hold as rentals, or get a good deal on your own home. Let's dive right in. We've got some folks in my mastermind group CCF that go back and forth arguing about who is the trailer king, as in who does the most mobile home deals. Now, if you're a real estate investor or an agent, there's several reasons why you might market to mobile homes. First one being they tend to be more affordable than your conventional single families. Second being there tends to be less competition on them as well. There's less real estate investors marketing to them. It's a specific list that you have to pull. And third, if most people are marketing to them, they're not calling out the asset class itself at all. They're often sending these folks something like, hey, we want to buy your house or your property, not calling out that they know that this property is indeed a mobile. So I'm going to show you how to pull the list as well as what I would market to it with. So diving into my computer here, I'm going to use San Antonio for this example. Because one of our guys that goes back and argues about this, Aaron Beal, if you're watching, is one of our trailer kings, operates out of San Antonio. So we're going to go into filters. We're going to go over to property details, residential, and mobile home. Now, it's worth pointing out, you will get homes in here that are in parks. That's probably not what you're looking for. You're probably looking for places that are on some land. So in property details, you're going to want to also set a minimum lot size. And this is going to kind of depend on what's typical for your market. In my markets in the Midwest, it's pretty rare that homes in a park are on lots that are like 5,000 square feet plus. It might be different in your market, but for the sake of this example, I'm going to say, let's only pull a list of properties that are on at least half an acre. You can see we've got 2,548 of them. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure they have equity. They can afford to sell to us. So we're going to set an equity range of 35 to 100%. Technically, you don't need to put up in 100% because if they have, you can't have more than 100% equity, right? So right here, we've got 2,321 places that are mobile homes on at least half an acre. Now, you might want to do something like include recently sold properties because it could be somebody just bought it. Personally, when I'm marketing to asset classes like this, I don't do a ton of that sort of filtering. Maybe they want to sell even if they bought it a year ago. But for the sake of this example, I'll also show you how to do that. So we're going to go into owner type, information, and occupancy. You could do ones that aren't owned by an owner occupant. It's more of a rental. It's a smaller list at 696. But for the sake of this one here, I'm going to do a last sale date and just say, hey, let's make sure that they've been there for like at least 5 years. So we'll do 2020, January 1st. And we can see we've got, oh, sorry, I did that backwards. That's only people that have owned it from then versus people that have owned it from then or before. So these are going to all be people that have owned the places for some time. We've got 1,241, so snugged that list up quite a bit. Simply check the box here, add to cart, and export it. Next, you're going to head on over to ballpointmarketing.com. Going to go to products. Go to our asset-specific postcards, and from the drop-down, you're going to select the mobile home postcards. Now, the whole thought process behind these is barely anybody's marketing to them, let alone calling out the asset type itself. So this is a potential great little niche you can carve out for yourself. The copy on these is all written by real pens. So you can do something to the angle of, hey, I want to buy your house, or hey, I can help you list it. Or if you're an agent, if you're looking for a home for your family, you could even do a, hey, we're looking for a house for our family. Have you ever considered selling? Address. One of my big goals for 2025 is to help more good people do good business. By calling out a specific asset type like this and carving out a little niche for yourself, you can do more deals with a lower cost per acquisition. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It helps us get in front of more folks like you. Thank you for taking the time to hang out with me today. Again, my name is Ryan Dossey. I'll talk to you soon.